Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Things are going good in the precious metals world for gold and silver at least. Gold is at $1,666, up $28.43. Silver at $17.44, up 13 cents. You can see this chart is really stable buildup has been happening with gold and silver. You can see just slowly increasing, which is really good news, which means it's building up some support, some stability, some foundation underneath its feet, ready to rally. Now, I have this article from Investing Daily talking about Hi-Ho Silver, the bull case for the white metal. Brings some really good perspective and some really good points in it, and I definitely think you guys and gals will enjoy this. So make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, because I do post daily videos. I'm also doing a giveaway right now, so if you want a chance to win some free silver, make sure you go check out that video I posted earlier the week if you want a chance to enter, because today I will be doing the drawing for the winner. So this is your last chance to enter to win some free silver, and trust me, this is the third giveaway I've done in the last couple weeks, and this one is definitely the best prize. So you definitely want to go check that out. So this article starts off to say, and I love the way he starts this off, it's not just the paranoia of the Fed bashing, hard money zealots who build bunkers in their backyards. Precious metals really do make a lot of sense now for all types of investors. And that is so true. It's silver especially can be a part of your portfolio regardless if you care about the SHTF scenario, survivalist prepper mind state or not, because there's so much potential in this asset from all different angles. Fact is, markets' wild daily gyrations are giving the average investor the cold sweats. In the wake of last week's stock market correction, gold and silver are showing considerable luster. As the number of coronavirus cases grow, you can expect further price appreciation of precious metals. Every portfolio should hold gold, but don't forget about silver. The white metal is a time-proven crisis hedge that often and unfairly takes a back seat to gold. If you're concerned about stock market volatility, both gold and silver warrant your attention. The versatility of silver. Industrial demand plays a key role in silver's bullish story. Both gold and silver are used in several industrial processes and consumer goods, but silver is far more prevalent and crucial. According to the Silver Institute, about 46% of the world's silver supply is used in industrial applications. Silver is a superb conductor of heat and electricity, making it integral component in medicine, electronics, and automobiles, food processing, solar energy, and textiles, radiography, and cite only a few industries. And silver is found in computers, televisions, batteries, smartphones, calculators, cameras, conventional and electric vehicles, rockets, airplanes, watches, clocks, microwave ovens, the list goes on. And that's just to name a few. Silver is used for everything. As this following chart shows, global industrial demand for silver enjoys an upward trajectory. So the world clamors for silver. Global demand for silver from all industries since 1960. You can see how high it's been climbing. The unstoppable momentum of solar energy is a particularly powerful tailwind for silver because the metal is vital for the production of photovoltaic cells. Another boost for the white metal is demand for silver zinc batteries, which are widely used in missile, space launch, and electric vehicle applications. These indispensable uses for silver will continue to increase, even if the economy downturns in 2020, as some analysts fear. The activity in any individual application could dip, but overall silver demand will remain recession-resistant because without this versatile metal, many processes of products couldn't exist. You won't get the newest iPhone. You won't get the newest Tesla. Gold and silver are traditional safe havens during times of market anxiety, but when gold prices rise, silver tends to rise even higher. Silver is considerably cheaper per ounce than gold, and as gold climbs price, climbs in price, traders perceive a bigger bang for their buck with silver. Case in point, during the gold bull market in June 2001 to August 2001, gold jumped from $270 an ounce to $1,889 an ounce for a 600% gain. That's pretty darn good, but overall the same period, silver soared from $4 an ounce to $43 an ounce, which is a 975% gain. See, silver is more volatile than gold. Silver hits higher highs and lower lows, though, so you have to be careful with that, the down part of it. So, gold currently hovers around $1,640 per ounce for a gain of 27.3% over the past year. Silver sits at around $17.50 an ounce. In 2018, average price silver stood at $15.07 an ounce. How high can silver go? Predictions are all over the map. The consensus outlook for silver remains positive, with the annual average price projected to rise at least 13% in 2020. I think that projection is way too conservative. Consider this: during the uncertain 1970s, the price of silver rose more than 3,600% from its November 1971 low to a January 1980 high. Precedent exists for massive gains in silver. And they're talking about how silver's been $50 twice in the last 40 years, in the 80s and in 2011. So the supply and demand equation, and this is where we get into some fundamental properties of investing, but also especially with precious metals. Fueling the expected rise in silver prices is a growing shortage that resulted from cutbacks in production among miners in recent years, as the price of the metal slipped. It doesn't take a genius in economics to figure it all out. When demand of a commodity increases but supply is dwindling, price will soar. Low supply, high demand shoots the price up, right? The coronavirus outbreak, rising geopolitical tensions, worsening dysfunction in Washington, D.C., growing signs of inflation, and the shaky stock market all add up to bullish conditions for gold and silver. I like how I just wrapped up that all in a bubble, like basically everything that's happening. Over the past few days, we've witnessed historic swings in major stock market indices with unprecedented moves in some sectors. Extreme volatility is a sign that the bull market is on a tentative ground. Risk-on assets have been lagging traditional safe havens, a warning sign of further trouble to come. It would only take a whiff of bad news to send stocks reeling again. Are you prepared? Conventional wisdom dictates that portfolios should remain at least 5 to 10% of precious metal assets as a protection against some economic downturns for the market and corrections. Only 5 to 10%. I'm much more assertive on that forefront. So, the aging bull market will stagger into its 11th anniversary this month. Last week, we witnessed huge coronavirus-induced sell-offs, with more probably ahead. Despite the dubious assertions of public officials, the deadly epidemic is far from contained. As a hedge your portfolios, precious metal sleeves should contain roughly equal proportions of gold and silver. And I like to do like about every 100 ounces of silver, I'll accumulate 1 ounce of gold. But I thought this article was very, very, very good, straightforward to the point, but also gave extremely insightful and informational news and information on what silver is used for, the benefits for it. Like, let's go back. They said silver is used for so many things, from computers, televisions, batteries, smartphones, calculators, cameras, conventional and electric vehicles. You have to think about the electric vehicle, the EV era we're going into. Rockets, we had to think about the new space age we're in with SpaceX. Airplanes, watches, clocks, microwave ovens, the list goes on. And they're finding new uses for silver. You got to think about all the new things in the digital age, the technological era we're advancing in. Silver is going to be used even more. So silver is definitely not one to count out. It's definitely a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. And I definitely think that prices will not be this low for too much longer. So you want to get silver while you still can, while the price is relatively cheap. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. The link to this article will be in the description. I thought this was a very well written article. I enjoyed it a lot. I learned a lot from it. I think it was a great case in point to why silver is so bullish, why it's a ticking time bomb, and hopefully you silver stackers can learn this, or if you already haven't, or be refreshed on it, because sometimes it's good to get back to the basics and remember why we stack silver. So anyways, thanks for tuning into this video. Make sure to go check out my giveaway for a chance to win some free silver. Let's see if this video can get 100 likes. I definitely think it can. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.